Hi there guys, Marco here back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be having a look at what are we actually going to be doing in our live workshop held here in our course room in Pretoria at BotShop. So let's get straight into it. We know you're probably confused when first starting out. Well, I know I was. That's why this course was designed, in taking you from absolute beginner all the way to expert. But what if I told you you can get started without any experience? If you can drag around blocks, that will be more than enough to get you started. We'll be using an interactive drag and drop programming method. But don't be worried, for those of you guys that preferred actual programming, we're also going to be including that in our course as well for the more experienced guys and for the challenge seekers. So the question you might be asking is, what do I get out of this? And that's quite a valid question. So the first thing you get is a hands-on experience and interactive training. We're going to be going through a lot of different modules, and it's going to be hands-on and very interactive. So you're going to be learning about inputs and outputs, analog and digital, how to calculate distance with sound waves, which is going to be great. And we also have our own custom-made board, which you can use to build your project on and take it home to go use in a practical way in your life. So this is what this little board's going to look like. I have the first one here. So I've already made a project out of this, but you can decide what it's going to be. It can either be an alarm system, one of those distance sensors at the back of your car that notifies you when there's an obstacle in range, or you can maybe use it as a tank leveling system. All depends and all is up to you. So here's this little module. So as you can see here, you're going to be learning about all of these components. This features a potentiometer, a buzzer, an LDR, a sound sensor, which we're going to be using to calculate the distance, and a few LEDs. So you're going to be learning how to interact with all of these, and you get to keep this cool project that hooks up to your Arduino. So let me give you an example of what this does. So I'm going to set the distance here. As you can see here, the closer we get, the faster our LEDs will start to flicker. So I think that's pretty cool. Well, oh, this, this thing keeps flickering, but I just have to turn it off quickly. But this is basically what we're going to be using to build a project. And this is the final project that we're going to build. And you're going to be able to take that home with you and do whatever you'd like with it. So, but apart from this course, what happens afterwards? Are you going to be left in the dark again? Are you going to be struggling with the same old troubles you used to go through? Well, not exactly, because we have a support system in place. You're more than welcome to go check out the website. We have a phone number there. You can call us anytime and leave a WhatsApp with us, and we'll be getting back to you as soon as possible. So we'll be there every step of the way, guiding you through the process and becoming a boss in electronics. So please come join me on this course. We'll be very excited to see you there, and that's basically it.